Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you how to MRI of MRCP planning. So now let's go started. First of all, you can see here there are three images, both are localizer images. This first image is sagittal, this image is coronal, another is axial. Okay, and you can see here the protocol showing. Okay, now I will planning the T2 coronal. So T2 coronal planning will be on the sagittal and axial images. Now following the anatomy and physiology carefully and set up the planning, and look here, slice and slice thickness, TR and T. Okay, now everything is fine. Look here, the liver. Okay, here, look here. Okay, okay, now apply. And then the next planning, T2 coronal FS. So I will just copy T2 coronal, just copy, first open, and then the copy parameters, slice and saturation region, and then copy navigators. Okay, then the apply. Okay, now next planning, T2 transverse. Then the next planning, T2 trophy FS. Look here, manual voice comments. Okay. Okay, now and apply, and then the T2 has the thick slab. Okay, Look here.